Hello. Hello, audience. Welcome to my Let's Play. Because I'm in this cave of darkness with no lights whatsoever. I think I've lost hope. Ever getting out. Ever. So I grabbed a pick and I'm going to start a mine. So, about 2 weeks ago, I kind of like my best friend, was gonna get married on Minecraft. And then he's just like, no, it's not right. I can't do this. I need to save Tiffany. He's like, what? Who's that? Yes, my girlfriend. He's like, okay. And then the girl went to me and said, Brock, will you marry me? He's like, sorry, girl, I am taken. So, after she left, I was creeped out. Then the next day, I got married to another girl. I'm kidding. Alright, I'm laughing at my own jokes. This is not good. Why is my iron gray, not silver? Oh, it is silver. Time to make my brand new weapon. It's the PvP God Sword of Darkness. Okay, I'm gonna try and make an anvil. I don't know how. I'm going to Google it. I am going to Google it. Bye. Hey, killer, how the hell? Whoops. Whoops. I accidentally forgot to pause it, and I said, hey, killer, how the hell do I make an anvil? So, sorry guys, you had to hear that. I am going to pause it this time. It's really funny because I asked my friend Killer. Well, he's XX Killer Planet 15. Check him out. XX. Lols. Join the garden of Kill Plant. He's a deadly plant. Oh yes, I found out how to make it. Okay, guys, it's not happening. I need 6 iron blocks. Not gonna happen. Okay, but still, this is the PvP God Sword now. This is my dark land. Oh, so my friend was showing me Lord of the Rings videos, and apparently there's a dwarf who goes around cutting off orcs. Like he dives under an orc and cuts off his balls. It's hilarious. He's like, wow! And then in a Lego version, he's just like, the elf is just like, can I get you a box? He's like, uh-huh. So he basically ruins the whole battle and destroys the whole kingdom. Then he gets a box and then he gets slain by orcs. It's really messed up. Oh, and I saw this video. So this evil wizard is singing the troll song, and then an elf hits him with an arrow, and he just like dives off singing the troll song. I don't know. I don't have any jokes on that. So basically, what's going on is, like, I'm having, I don't know, technical difficulties with editing videos. So I want to try and make my intro like rock something. I don't know. Yeah, please leave intro ideas in comment. And if you don't, darkness will raid above your world. So, thanks for watching. I will have a video. I'm probably going to make my next video probably 2 minutes after I upload this one. Bye, guys.